I'm kind of liking this spot. There's lots of wood around for fire and building materials. Man, I've been using this saw for 3 years now, 2 years now. I think it's done good. Tell you what, this is a beautiful spot on a beautiful day, and it's tempting to try to just sleep out under the stars, but it's gonna get cold, bitterly cold tonight. The low is supposed to be around 20 degrees Fahrenheit, but there's a stiff cold wind coming off of that lake. Luckily, that hill shelters us a little bit. If you go just 100 feet that way, the wind is just in your teeth. So the most important thing my shelter can do is block that wind. Nice little shelter here. Got this natural awning that'll keep the frost and rain off me. Got this windbreak up. I think it's time to build a fire and make some lunch.